Hi guys, so today we are going to be filming unboxing video. I got these few things for my kitchen, so let's unbox them together. So first off, let's start with this food processor. I got this Kenwood product. I've never used Kenwood products before, so I want to give it a trial this time. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. It is a multifunctional food machine. You can use it to practically blend or process anything. Okay, I think this is the motor. Oh, it's quite big. This is what the tops look like, and these are the buttons. So let me bring out this one. Oh, it's quite big. So this is what the inside looks like. This is it. And these are the blades it came with. This is the blade. Just go ahead, I think. You fix it. Probably you cover. Love it. So this is what this one is looking like. Yeah. So I also got this blender. It is also Kenwood product. I want to try it. There's this blender I've been using, speeder, and that blender has served me really well. So let me try this one and see how it goes. This is a big jar. It also came with a smaller one inside for your obono, your egusi, your dry mix, your dry products. You can actually use this small one to do them. Why this one is the big jar, is a 4000 ml jar. So I pray this one served me well also. This is it, and this is what you use to turn. So guys, I also got this plate rack, and this is a 3-set plate rack. I know I wanted to get the 2 sets, but I decided to let me just go with this 3-set. But my fear now is I don't know if it's going to size my big plate. So let's just unbox it and see how it looks like. Okay, these are the things it came with. I think this one is to put your spatula and the rest of them, while this one is for your spoon. Okay, these are the stands. This is what we are going to actually use to hook them. So this is what it looks like. I think let me go off camera, set it up, and I'll show you guys. Guys, after coupling, this is what we have. Our plate rack is set, and these are everything that I got. As you can see. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.